Hi, on my presentation today, I would like to show you about Thai Airways International hedging strategies for smooth landing. So let's see the overview. What I'm gonna talk today, what's happened in the Thai Airways, and introduction and factor impact, and also hedging tools. So what happened in the Thai Airways? In the board meeting, Thai Airways found that performance from analyzed that low results from the high competition in the airline business because global economic slowdown from European debt crisis. If you remember, it happened in 2008 and it about appreciation of the Thai baht, the fluctuation on oil price, and including of volatility of foreign currency. So, the President Sarajak, he assigned to Ms. Pan to prepare financial risk management plan. And the end of the meeting, the results of the end of the meeting had plan developed the strategies by boost revenues, how they boost revenues by improving product and service quality, create advertisement, market campaign, and launching new promotions, reorganize the airline route, and the important point is the manage financial risks with special focus on managing fuel price risks and foreign exchange rate risks to protect the company profile from the external factor and maintain financial health of the airline. So let's see what the business are they in. Thai Airways was the national carrier of the Kingdom of Thailand. The industry segmentation is the domestic and international flight. So, what are their revenues come from? First is passenger, second is charters and cargoes. So let's see about the cost structure size. Come from fuels expense, wage or salary, airport, navigation fees, appreciation, amortization, maintenance, food, beverage supply, communication and information technologies, and the last one is aircraft rentals. So let's see about the factor and impact. They have three major financial risk factor impacts on Thai Airways. The first one is risk associated with volatility of jet fuel price, and the second one is risk associated with fluctuation of foreign exchange rate. The third one is risk associated with fluctuation of the interest rate. So let's think about the reason to the hedge. Should the company hedge? Yes, of course. So why? Because fuel price change have a significant impact on income, and foreign exchange rate impact earning and operating costs. And about interest rate, change affect borrowing costs. So let's see the hedging tools. For my recommend is I will use the long forward or future. By the example, you wish to eliminate the price risk and you are the buy side of forward or future contracts. Plan to buy 12 million and 180,000 barrels of jet fuel in 18 months, right? An average lowest and the highest price were at $106.50 and a highest rate is 117 per barrel. You can eliminate the price risk. Alternatively, you are US dollar based firm, and if you have contracts from which you will receive yen in the future and you plan to sell yen and buy dollar, the exchange rate risk can be eliminated by taking the sell size of future contracts with a maturity date to exchange yen for dollars at the future or forward rate. In this example, the price or exchange rate risk is eliminated with the use of future contracts. The 18 months oil future contract will lock in the price of the oil, and the yen per dollar future contract will lock in the exchange rate also. So, for the exchange rate, the revenue is denominated in over 40 currency, and while expenses are denominated in 4 currency, dollar, yen, euro, and baht. I will use long forward contracts on currency were used in order to reduce the cash flow volatility. And let's see about the interest rates. I will use cross-currency swap agreement to exchange dollar denominated loan bearing floating rate of the interest to euro denominated loan bearing fixed rate of interest, increasing the proportion of fixed interest rates. And thank you for today.